Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Tamam Education Hub. Dear students, today we are going to learn the subject of basic cost accounting, in which we have a topic cost accounting cycle. Students, let's start to move our topics. Problem 12, which is taken from the book of Professor Sohail Afzal. Students, in this problem we will use the two separate journals like as head office books and factory office books, because head office and factory office are located at different places. Students, let's read to this problem carefully. Problem number 4.12. Down contribution by employer. Following transactions are related to Moon Manufacturing Company, Lahore. Factory is situated at Gujarat. Total payroll cost for the month rupees 1,60,000 rupees. Employees income tax withheld rupees 8,000 rupees. Deduction for provident fund at the rate of 10% of gross payroll. Voucher for net earnings of employees was prepared and paid payroll. Analysis sheet revealed the following information. Students, we will pass the entries which are given in transactions stepwise in the books of head office and factory office. Students, payroll account is maintained at head office for all employees. The gross payroll is 1,60,000 rupees. Deductions, provident fund 10% gross payroll, which is the amount 16,000 rupees. Income tax withheld 5% gross payroll, which is the amount 8,000 rupees. Net earnings 1,36,000 rupees. Students, now let's move in the book of head office to pass these transaction entries. Students, in the book of head office, the payroll is debited. The gross amount is 1,60,000 rupees here. And the credited amount is provident fund payable, income tax withheld, and accrued payroll here. The amount of provident fund payable is 16,000 rupees. 16,000 rupees. Income tax withheld is amount 8,000 rupees, and accrued payroll amount is 1,36,000 rupees. 36,000 rupees. 1,36,000 rupees here. Students, this is the entry we passed against the payroll. Now, the next part is B. Voucher for the pay period is prepared. For this purpose, we have to again move to in the book of head office, where accrued payroll is debited with the amount 1,36,000 rupees, and the voucher payable is 1,36,000 rupees here. Student, this is the preparation of voucher payable in this entries. Now, in C part, voucher for the pay period is paid. Now, in the book of head office, voucher payable is debited 1,36,000 rupees, and the bank account is credited because the payment is made to all the employees. Students, now in D part, distribution of the gross earning is as follows. Now students, in the book of head office, fertilizer is debited with the cost of direct labor and indirect labor 1,10,000 rupees. Marketing expenses amount is cost is 30,000 rupees, and the salaries of general office is which is charged to the administration expenses 20,000 rupees here. Students, against it, payroll is credited 1,06,000 rupees. Students, the gross payroll is closed here. On the behalf of fertilizer, marketing expenses, and admin expenses. Now we will move in the book of factory office to pass the cost of direct labor and indirect labor cost. Now, direct labor cost is 90,000 rupees, which is charged to the field working process, and indirect labor cost is 20,000 rupees, which is charged to the factory work control here. Now, the credit is general ledger here 1,10,000 rupees. Students, these are the entries against the factory payroll, which is distributed between the direct labor cost and indirect labor cost here. Now, let's move to the next transaction. Employees provident fund contribution by the employer is at the same rate of social security fund 5% of gross pay. Students, For this purpose, the contribution is 24,000 rupees, 24,000 rupees here. Now we distribute this cost among the factory, marketing and admin. For this purpose, we have to proportion all the distribution, payroll cost 20,000 rupees, from direct labor cost ratio 20,000 rupees, from indirect labor cost 30,000 rupees, from marketing expenses and 20,000 rupees as admin expenses. The simplification ratio is 9:2:3:2. Now we sum up the direct or indirect ratio in single form like as 11 plus 3 plus 2. This is the sum up is 16,016. Now factory overhead control shares in provident fund and social security. 11 out of 16 multiplied by 24,000, which is the amount is 60,500 rupees. Same as marketing expenses, shares in provident fund, 3 out of 16 multiplied by 24,000. This is the amount is 4,500 rupees. Same as administration expenses, shares in 1 out of 8, because 2 out of 16 is equal to 1 over 8 multiplied by rupees 24,000 rupees. This is the amount 3,000 rupees here. Now we pass these entries in the book of head office. The factory cost is 60,500 rupees, 60,500 rupees, 60,500 rupees, and marketing cost 4,500 rupees, 4,500 rupees, and admin is 30,000 rupees. Students, against the provident fund and social security fund, like as 60,000 rupees as a provident fund and 80,000 rupees as a 8,000 rupees as social security fund here. Students, 16,000 rupees as a provident fund and social security fund, 8,000 rupees here. Now in the book of factory, the 16,500 rupees is charged to the factory overhead control, and general ledger account is credited here 60,500 rupees. Students, employers provident fund, the contribution of employers provident fund is charged to the factory overhead control in the book of factory office. Students, these are the entries which has passed against given transaction. Students, I think you understand. I hope and think you understand about this problem clearly. If you have any queries and difficulties and any problems which are faced by you in this problem, please inform me my channel comments box, so I can try my best to remove your deficiencies which are occurred in this problem. Students, I hope you have understood and cleared about this problem clearly. Please remember to like, subscribe, comments and share my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.